So what exactly are RICO charges and how might they fit into this case? We went to our legal experts to find out more about the criminal statute. RICO is actually an acronym. It stands for the Racketeer Influenced in Corruption Act. It's a law that is most often used to fight organized crime like the Chicago mob, or more recently the charges against rapper Young Thug and the YSL gang. So what constitutes RICO charges? It can include cases like theft, murder, drugs, or even prostitution. The important part is that prosecutors must show a pattern of 2 or more crimes committed by this group of people that are organized together. According to the law in Georgia, all it takes is 1 or more of the acts that form the pattern resulted in the defendant acquiring or maintaining control of any enterprise, property, or money. In this case, the 2020 election results, a conviction under Georgia's RICO statute is likely to result in a 5 to 20-year sentence or fine or both. Well, now that we know a decision was reached, let's take a look at what's about to happen next. After the DA's press conference, the next step is the arraignment process. Arraignments will happen at the Fulton County Courthouse for anyone charged with a crime. The Georgia election probe defendants will appear before a judge shortly after the indictments are issued. They'll hear the charges against them read aloud. Each one will enter a plea of guilty, not guilty, or nolo, which means no contest. This could happen within a few days or up to a week, depending on who, how many defendants, and where those people live. Also, each defendant will also go through the booking process. Here, each of the defendants will likely be booked either at the courthouse or more traditionally at the Fulton County Jail. Booking will likely involve fingerprints and mugshots. Because these are not violent crimes, though, most will likely be released from custody or some form of bond. Now, right now, we know that arrest warrants have been issued for Trump and the other 18 defendants. They have less than 2 weeks to surrender.
I am giving the defendants the opportunity to voluntarily surrender no later than noon on Friday, the 25th day of August, 2023.